Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Khanmalim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. After visits to the communities in Boleta and Altamira, Father Hugo Orozco, councillor for the Inter-America region, visited the Salesian community in Saria on 17 and 18 March, characterized by a strong youth presence. Father Orozco concluded the extraordinary visitation on 21st and 22nd March at the provincial headquarters by sharing the current situation of the province and highlighting the challenges to be faced and the need to continue building a lively province committed to the Salesian mission. Father Orozco was main celebrant at the Mass of Missionary, sending for some 250 young people from the Salesian presences in Caracas. The Don Bosco of Naples gave life to the event to celebrate an anniversary of great importance, the 90th anniversary of the arrival of the Salesians in the outskirts suburb of Doganilla. Under the title of Educating the Heart of Naples for 90 years on Via de Don Bosco, the commemoration came to life in the splendid setting of the Court Theatre of the Royal Palace of Naples on Tuesday, 26 March. For almost a century, the Salesians have been an educational and spiritual beacon for the young people of the Neapolitan city, especially for those who had fewer opportunities. On 26 March 2024, in the large hall of the Theologicum St. Francis de Sales, the final assembly of the extraordinary visit to the Central Africa Province AFC took place, led by Father Alphonse Ovodu, Councillor for the Africa-Madagascar region, on behalf of the Rector Major. It was a meeting during which Father Ovodu provided the conclusions of the extraordinary visit to the Salesians present from all the communities and those from the AFC East, represented by the inspectoral delegate Father Gauthier Shibangu, who arrived for the occasion. Don Guillermo Basanas, Superior of the Province of Central Africa AFC, thanked the Rector Major through Don Ovodu and thanked God for the fact that the extraordinary visit took place according to plan. A new program called Early Learning Adventures was launched on 18 March at the Don Bosco Learning Center in Quetta, Pakistan. This initiative represents a crucial moment for the education, empowerment and development of the Salesian community in Pakistan. The program was presented on the morning of March 18 by Father Sami Aghaurias, Deputy Director of the Center, accompanied by the Salesians teachers and students. He explained this program, explaining how it was designed to specifically cater to children aged 3 to 4, laying a solid foundation for their holistic development. The parish of St. John the Baptist in Clifton Hill, Collingwood, and that of St. Margaret Mary in Brunswick celebrated the Easter Triduum with great solemnity and joy, with hundreds of faithful parishioners and visitors gathered to participate in the liturgies. On Holy Thursday, the parish community came together in a beautiful display of unity and diversity. The preparations were followed by the parish council team and the parishioners themselves, together with the Salesian brothers under the guidance of Don Cassius Correa, parish priest of San Giovanni Battista. Father Peter Kim Hoi Huang, AUL inspector, led the faithful in a solemn Eucharistic celebration accompanied by members of his council and his confreres from Clifton Hill. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining.